Welcome everyone, I've been playing some games on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and after using the Flip 4 that ran games terribly. Fold 4 on the other hand, let's discuss. So I have been blown away by the gaming performance. If you want to buy one for gaming, literally everything can be ran at the max graphics setting at the highest FPS available. We need more graphically intensive games because this phone right here bangs them out. Genshin Impact can be run at the max graphic settings, 60 FPS. The phone does get very hot, but it runs. PUBG, you can run smooth 60 and the phone will even get warm, okay? It will stay cool to the touch. There'll be a slight, get very slightly warm, but it really isn't that much. Call of Duty at the moment only allows you to do smooth at 90 FPS. However, I wouldn't be surprised if they add an update to give you medium at 120 FPS because it just runs the game flawlessly. Every single game I have played, and you can see all the games right here, run flawlessly at the highest graphics setting available. The only downside is that these games haven't been optimized yet, and so what that means is you're going to get even better performance when this phone is officially released to the general public. Okay, I got this phone 2 weeks early, I've been a bit lazy, that's why it's taken a while, but for example, Genshin Impact, I doubt things will change, but other games like PUBG, there's no 90 FPS option, that should be coming in the future, almost certainly. Call of Duty, no medium 120 FPS option, that should almost certainly be coming in the future, you know, etc, etc. So I'm very happy with the gaming performance. If you are thinking about getting a Z Fold 4, okay, definitely buy one. I haven't even shown proof this is a Z Fold 4. Let me show you real quick. If I go to settings here and I go to about phone, you can see product name Z Fold 4, love this device, and you will too, excellent gaming performance. The only real downside is that you have a plastic screen, and I've had to like relearn how to play games because of my fingernails right here. So if you're someone who has nails, you're going to have issues. You're going to have to like play flat. It's a bit awkward, but you'll get used to it because I used to play on the Fold 3 and I got used to it then. I personally do prefer my iPad Pro for gaming, I'll be blunt with you guys, but if you want a phone and tablet in one, then that is the cost you're going to get with the Fold, so definitely definitely use this guy. So I'm very happy with this, and with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later. Other games I played on Z Fold 4 are in the description if you want to check that out. Bye.